Hi, we're here with Mark Kiker, who is the president of the Autodesk User Group International, known as AUGI. Isn't that right?
Yep, that's correct.
Well, thank you for being here. So what resources or benefits does AUGI provide for its members?
Quite a bit. The first one, obviously, is our website, AUGI.com, and the website has discussion forums that users can post questions to users. We're a member user group, 170,000 members strong internationally. And one of the hives of activity for our group is the forums. And the forums, you can post a question and get an answer. So we see a lot of information being posted on those questions of how to use the software. And they'll get a response. They may post from Florida and get a response from Australia. They may post from Sao Paulo, Brazil, and get an answer from someone in the Ukraine. It's all over the map.
That's great. That's great. So how do they tap into these resources? And you were kind of going into that, but can you elaborate?
Yeah, the website is our first focus for resources that are there. A spinoff of that is our philosophy is that it's not just a web presence that we have, but it's also face-to-face. And so we have multiple face-to-face events. Some of them are in local user groups. We call them local user groups, and it's just a collection of people using the similar software in a given geographical area. So they get together once a month. They get together. They're kind of ad hoc user-led meetings where they just sit down and talk about how to use the software better, what's coming up, what's around the bend. A more formal setting is CAD Camp, and our CAD Camps are coming back in 2010. There was a respite in 2009. They're coming back in 2010, and those are regional events that are a paid event that people can go to for networking, for training classes, for information on how to use the software. And those are, again, from our website. You can find a connection to tap into those.
Great. So how do we find out more about AUGI if we have some
like
questions?
I mentioned, you go to AUGI.com is our website, and there you'll find information about all the things I didn't mention, which were our online training classes and product information, our wish list, which we present at Autodesk University. We have a process that allows the members to vote on their requested wishes for the products. We have 4 products that do that. So we put those together as a list, and they vote, and the top 10 get presented to Autodesk, and they hopefully will look at that list, and we see some of those wishes coming true in the products that are put out by Autodesk.
How long have you been doing that, the wish list?
We've been doing that for quite a while. I think it's been, I'd hesitate to guess, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. A long time.
Good idea.
AUGI's been around for 20, so a wish list has been around for a long time, either informally, but now formal in the last 6, 7, 8 years.
All right, great. So thank you very much for joining us.
Yes, thank you.
And thank you for joining us.